Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to change the region on the Samsung Galaxy A07. Now to do that, first of all, just open the web browser app on your smartphone. Then in the search bar, just search this. Then open this website. From here, just tap on sign in. Now if you're already signed into your Samsung account on this device, just tap on sign in with Galaxy device. But if you have not signed into your Samsung account yet, just tap on sign in with your account ID. Since I have already signed into my Samsung account on this device, I will select sign in with Galaxy device. Then tap on OK. From here, just tap on profile. Now at the bottom of the page, you will find the country or the region of your smartphone. Now to change the country or the region, just tap on edit personal information. And from here, just tap on country or region. And from here, you can change your country or your region. Now let's select a region from here. For an example, I will select this region. Then tap on change. Then tap on note now. Now at the bottom of the page, just select I understand some account data may be lost. Then tap on change. And from here, just enter the password of your Google account. After you enter the password of your Google account, then tap on OK. Now if you go to the home screen and open settings, then tap on sign into your Galaxy. And from here, just sign into your Samsung account. For that, just tap on sign in with Google. Then select your Google account. Tap on continue. Then tap on continue. From here, just select I have read and agreed to all the above and tap on agree. Then tap on OK. Now in your Samsung account, if you go to the personal information, as you can see, we have successfully changed the region of our Samsung phone. And this is how you can change the region on the Samsung Galaxy A07. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.